We are leading an operation to eliminate terrorists, preventing them from doing harm. 7 people have been arrested, two have died, including one woman who had an explosive vest. I would like to congratulate the police forces, 110 people who intervened in a very courageous manner during this raid. They took gunfire for hours in conditions which they had never before seen. I would also like to salute the courage of the people of Saint-Denis. All throughout this raid, they have obeyed the orders of the police, followed their instructions, and that helped to ensure the success of the operation. Now, of course, in the coming days, during the investigation, we will continue all of our actions to fight against these terrorists. And I will now hand over to the public prosecutor. I would like to give you some details, but it will be later this afternoon. We will give you more information then. We have our forensics officers have not yet begun their work inside the building. The raid was launched following the launch of the investigation on Friday night in Paris and Saint-Denis. In the context of that investigation, a lot of work has been done, which allowed us to obtain testimonials which gave us information telling us Mr. Aboud was currently located in Saint-Denis. So we then triggered the operation this night, as just described, and we were able to arrest 3 people who were in the flat. Then a young woman who is currently being identified, who blew up her explosive device, and another terrorist was killed, who was hit by bullets and a hand grenade. 2 other people have been arrested who were hiding, and 2 others. So we have the person who provided the flat and someone from his entourage. We are currently checking the identification of these people to know who is who, and once the forensic officers have the results, we will tell you who was in the flat and what consequences we will draw in the investigation.